Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how you can log out of your Zara application on your smartphone. To log out of Zara, first of all, open the Zara application on your device, and once you're inside the home page of Zara, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the human icon. Now you'll be able to see several other menus on the screen from where you'll need to tap on Profile. Inside your profile, you will see End Session button. To log out of your Zara account, click on End Session. Now click on End Session once again in the pop-up, and with this, you have successfully logged out of your Zara account using the Zara app on your mobile device. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.